everyone, it's Hannah. I've put together a little yoga sequence that will hopefully be accessible for everyone. So even if you're a total beginner, I hope you enjoy this session. When you're ready, sitting cross-legged on your mat. If it's more comfortable, you can put a cushion or a yoga block underneath you to lift the hips. Taking a deep breath in, exhale round the back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale round the back. So keep going with this movement, warming up the spine, moving with the breath. Taking both arms up, nice deep breath in, stretch. Exhale, float them down. Taking the right arm up, exhale and stretch. Breathe in and over with the left. Moving with the breath, stretching out and lengthening the side body. Nice and easy, gentle movement. Both arms up, exhale. Take a really deep breath in, lift those shoulders and exhale and drop. Over into tabletop position. Press the hands into the mat. Back straight, neck long. Breathe in and round the back. Exhale, cat pose. And inhale, round the spine. Exhale, curve. Keep this movement going, moving on the inhale and the exhale, warming up the spine. And back to neutral spine. Taking the left leg out behind you, engaging the glutes, toes on the floor. You can keep this pose here or increase the difficulty by lifting the leg. Flex the foot. Stretch that leg behind you, pushing out through the heel. Abs engaged, neck long. Breathe here. Hold the pose. On the next exhale, lower the toes to the floor and slowly back in. Open the knees wide and relax back into child's pose. Relaxing the forehead onto the mat, reaching the fingertips away. Take a few nice deep breaths in this pose. Back to tabletop. Taking the other leg back, toes on the floor, feeling strong in this pose. Lifting that leg. Heel pushing away, squeezing the glutes, abs engaged, keeping that neck long. Deep breaths in and out as we hold this pose. On the next exhale, lower the toes to the floor, back to tabletop. Stretching the left arm up to the ceiling. Exhale for thread the needle. Relax the side of the head and the shoulder onto the mat and enjoy this stretch. Reaching the left arm up and back to tabletop. Repeat with the other side. Right arm up, exhale and thread it through. Relaxing the side of the head and the shoulder into your mat. Nice deep breaths in and out. Relax into this pose. Taking the hand up Stretch for the ceiling and back to tabletop. Open the knees wide and sit back into child's pose. Stretch those fingers a little further away, relaxing the forehead into the mat. Back to tabletop, tuck the toes underneath and push back into downward facing dog. We're going to pedal through the feet here, just easing out those legs. Then push the heels down and enjoy this stretch. Bend the knees deeply, walk the hands to the feet, and we're going to lengthen the spine. Relax forward, forward fold. Breathe in again and lengthen. Place the hands on the shins or the quads. Relax and roll all the way up through the spine. Standing tall, reach the arms up overhead. Breath in, breath out. And again, deep breath in, arms overhead. Exhale and swan dive forwards. Into forward fold. Relax the knees, relax the head, and just take a moment here to sway side to side. We're going to walk those hands forwards, back to tabletop. Open the knees and relax back into child's pose. Relaxing the forehead into the mat. Stretch the fingers a little further away. Coming back to tabletop and then swing your legs around. We're going to relax lying back on the mat, feet flat, knees up to the ceiling. On the next exhale, we're going to roll up, squeezing the glutes off the mat, bridge pose. Squeeze those glutes, push the feet into your mat. Squeeze those hips a little higher. And on the next exhale, slowly roll down through the spine. Hug the knees into the chest. Take one deep last breath in and exhale. Relax into your mat. Turn the palms up to the ceiling and relax here for a few moments. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the session.